Flooding today. Here's your today's flooding report. It's flooded. I'm a boat. Fuck out, phone. I have a charger just for you. Hold on. I'm gonna go to Taco Bell first because I'm addicted to Taco Bell. I love this rain. I love the weather. I love flooding. I want to flood to my death. Man. Yeah, fuck the music. I'm gonna just record this whole weather. I'm gonna record me driving all the way around downtown. But making my way downtown. Right? It's the Colony Diner. Bus service has been delayed due to multiple flooding. Whee! I'm gonna go inside, by the way. Like how I'm gonna go and have them fuck my food over. There's a little snip right there. I'll be back.